problems.
After we call them, we go back there so you can get up in the kayak and get wet, refresh.
Yes.
We have to call them first.
They're there.
Answer! Hindi po. You want to go to the tunnel? Balik kayo konti. You can also lay down sir if you're... Po, balik tayo doon sa may entrance. Yun yung pinaka the best dito. Tsaka gusto na bumaba ni Sir Sen na sakit na likod niya.
No support.
No support? Be careful with your legs, Dad. Oh, that's right, Mom, right.
Okay.
Okay.
I will go first inside. Let's wait for them. Take a video.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Hello? Hold your hand po.
Push it off with your paddle. Push it off with your paddle.
Use the stick right into your hand.
Alright.
Okay.
Don't do anything, honey.
Don't do anything, Mom, okay? Do not do anything.
There you go.
Okay.
There you go.
Alright.
Sorry.
Okay, take a video.
3 U-turns, eh?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Finally.
I did a moment ago. I will again in a moment.
Tapos punta po tayo sa may para makababa si Sir.
No. Can you pass this to Mom? Just tell her to record.
That's recording.
I know, but at least...
See what you will. I'm gonna have music on this. Hang on. Okay, smile. Gets a little tighter up here.
Look at the rock on the top, sir.
Oh.
It's gonna fall.
It's hurting the legs.
Yes po, punta na tayo doon para makababa kayo.
Are you sitting? Look how Kuya's sitting, eh? Like that. Cross your legs.
Indian
Ah,
feet.
yeah, cross the street.
Indian.
You can. Ay,
Alright, let's go for the shallow.
Where'd you get your license?
Okay, that's why.
Reckless driving.
yeah, you sit like that. It's nice.
Okay, I didn't know that. Ay, ganyan. Pangataba ko yan. Ano mo, ate? Mag-selfie ka para may kuha tayong salita.
Go to the shallow so you can get up and swim.
I thought Mom took them.
Ito, left,
Yeah, right. Yeah.
left or right?
Right.
Ha? Right? Ani, bigyan mo. Ah,
Right. Pwede na po bumaba dito para makaihi. Makaihi. Hello!
Hello. Woo.